Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan bagi kita semua. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Latifah Rohaini. My student ID is 632507117. Class is 632A07. Study program is accounting. Faculty is economics and business. I will give a speech about the diversity of Indonesian cuisine. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Delis Metal Tiana and my proud friends, respect grace, all praise be to God Almighty for countless blessings, including the blessing of living in this rich Indonesian archipelago. On this occasion, allow me to deliver a speech on the theme of Indonesian culinary diversity. Dear guests, Indonesia is a country with more than 300 ethnic groups, and each brings its own unique and distinct culinary heritage. Rendang from Minangkabau, gudeg from Yogyakarta, coto Makassar from Sulawesi, and papeda from Papua. All are proof of our race culture. Culinary is not just about tasting. Behind every dish is history, philosophy, and local wisdom passed down from generation to generation. When we enjoy the specialties of other regions, we are truly celebrating unity, different flavors, but one nation. As the next generation, it is your duty to perceive and introduce this culinary richness to the world. We must not become more familiar with the names of foreign dishes than our own. Be proud of Indonesian cuisine, for that is where our identity as Indonesian lies. Ladies and gentlemen, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity in diversity, is not just a slogan on the national emblem. It lives in every motto of Indonesian cuisine we enjoy together. Let us protect and preserve Indonesian culinary heritage as a source of national pride. That is all I can say. I apologize for any shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain the material with the time of adverbs of order. What is an sequence adverbs? 1. Definition is a word used to indicate the order of events or steps in an activity. 2. Function is connect one idea to another chronologically. 3. Basic example. First, then, after that, finally. List of adverbs of sequence most frequently used. 1. Beginning is firstly, to begin with. 2. Middle is then, next, after, that, secondly, soon. 3. And is finally, lastly, in the end. Why do we need adverbs of sequence? 1. Makes stories easier to follow. 2. Important in procedural text. Cooking intrusion, assembly intrusion, etc. 3. Helps contract logical arguments. Sentient usage portion. 1. Usually at the beginning of a sentence. First, I wake up, then I take a bath. 2. In the middle of a sentence, for then next. I did my homework, then I watched TV. Not usually followed by a comma if at the beginning of a sentence. Example procedure making coffee. 1. First boil some water. 2. Next put coffee powder into the cup. 3. Then pour the hot water. 4. Finally stir it well. Exercise composing tension scramble sentence. 1. Finally I went to sleep. 2. Then I brushed my teeth. 3. First I put on my pajamas. Answer. First 3, then 2, finally 1. Using adverbs of sequence in writing. When writing essay, intrusion, or even stories, adverbs of sequence act as signposts that guide the reader from one point to the next. Conclusion. 1. Read the original text to understand the chronological order. 2. Use sequential conjunction then later to create a coherent summary. 3. Ensure the storyline or procedure remains logical from beginning to end. That's all from me. I apologize if there are any words that are not pleasing. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.